Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys on how you can get very cheap clicks from Facebook ads. First, I'm going to show you guys some proofs, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do this by step. And if you're someone who's totally new to this channel and never been to this channel before, make sure you give a like to this video and do subscribe to my channel. And let's get started. And recently I've been getting some comments on my YouTube videos saying that it's impossible to get these cheap clicks from tier 1 country like US, United Kingdom, Canada. Actually, it's really simple when you follow this method. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this, and if you're someone who's interested in taking my course, link in the description, the first link, you can buy it. Or else if you're not interested in buying it, no problem, stick with my YouTube channel. I'll be posting more free videos like this. If you're interested, just go ahead and buy my course. Inside the members area, you can find a lot of case studies and a lot of tips and tricks I shared. So if you're interested, just go ahead and buy it. Link in the description. First, let me show you guys some proofs. You can see it here. This is one of my Facebook ad account. You can see it here. I have more than 10 ad accounts here. And just take a look at the first campaign. These are the targeting countries, which is United Kingdom, Canada, and United States of America. Because this campaign has a lot of different assets. That's the reason you're seeing all this together. You can see here I almost got like 3,700 link clicks, and the CPC is around 1.61. You can see here on United Kingdom I'm just paying 1.51 INR. This is not US dollars, guys. This is INR. This is my currency. First, let me convert this amount into USD. You can see here this is a USD INR converter. This is not some fake. This is Google. So let me type the number. You can see here 151, right? 1.51. So I'm getting a click for 0.02 cents from United Kingdom, and from United on Canada I'm getting it for 153. Mostly that's also 0.02 cents, and from United States I'm getting a click for 242. That's 0.03 cents, and even some days I get a click for 0.01 cents from United States. It's totally depend on the days, because each day the Facebook algorithm changes, and some days it's going to get clicks for very cheap, and the next day it's going to get a clicks for I pay like 0.03 on day 2. Sometimes it just goes down to 0.02 or 0.01. So mostly I don't pay more than 0.04. That's 2.80 INR in India. I don't pay more than 0.04 per click from United States. If it's India, then I don't even pay. I get a click for 0.001 cents. That's 0.07 in India in INR, guys. First, let me explain how I'm using this viral marketing technique to get a very cheap click from tier 1 countries. So mostly countries like this, United States, United Kingdom, and Canada, competition will be extremely high. That's the reason your CPC is going up. So when you use this viral marketing, Facebook only care about how many clicks the ad image is getting and how many engagement the ad image is getting. So these are the two main factors which is going to play main role on getting cheap clicks. So you can see it here. You need to focus on increasing your click-throughs and your engagements, because when these two metrics goes up, these two metrics comes down. You can see here CPM comes down, and the CPC, cost per click, will comes down. So these are the two main things you need to focus on, which is title and your ad image, because when you get a high click through, you're gonna reduce your CPC. So when you get a lot of engagement, you're gonna reduce your CPC. So the engagement is totally depend on it's not totally depend on the ad image. It's totally depend on what you are sharing with the community. So you can see it here. So if your title is not that compelling, it's not going to get a lot of engagement. So for example, just don't say something like check out our products, or check out our article, or else just don't say something like click the image, or else share with your friends, or like the ad, because those words are negative keywords in Facebook. If they pick those words, they're going to reduce your reach. So just don't use them on the title. Just try to give your thought about the ad, whatever you're selling, or else if it's a viral article, try to give your thought about the article. So instead of asking someone to share, you just give your you just give your thoughts, and mostly they will leave a comment about your thought, or else they will they will comment, or else they will like the post. If they does that, it's going to increase the engagement. When the engagement goes up, the CPC comes down. So the reach is going to go up, and the CTR going to go up. So these two metrics really are very, very important. Mostly in my case, I only run PPE ad. I don't run traffic ad, because when you run PPE ad, you're going to get a lot of free traffic, because people share the ads, and it's going to go viral. So when you stop the ad, your ad is not going to perform well, because that's how Facebook algorithm will work. So that's not a problem. I only pay for 50% of the reach, because the other 50% is going to be my organic reach. This is going to be my organic, and this is going to be my paid. I just pay initially, and I reduce the budget, and mostly from there I get a click for 0.02 or else 0.03 on max. That's the max I pay for tier 1 country, guys. So this is really simple. Spend more time on creating your title and your ad image, because it's not about what ad you're running, or else what you're selling. If you're not getting click-throughs, if you're not getting visitors to your site, you're not going to make that money, right? So it's all about this is the only two thing is very important, which is the title and the ad image, because this is how you're going to reach your customer. So if you're not getting that initial click-throughs, you're not going to make money from affiliate marketing, AdSense, or else you're not going to build your email list. And let me explain how I make my money, because you need to make money to fund your Facebook ad, right? So I send traffic from Facebook to my website, and from my website I have Google AdSense ads, and I'll be having some Amazon associates affiliate products inside my blog articles, and I get paid from AdSense and Amazon associate. And it's really, really easy to get back your investment, because I have more than 3 sources of income. At the same time, I also do collect my emails, so I send them affiliate products from ClickBank and other things. So this is how this method exactly works. And if you're someone who's interested in my course, link in the description, the first link, just go ahead and take the course. And I actually have a complete module on how to get 0.01 to 0.03 cent click from tier 1 countries, and I explained a lot of these stuffs, and I have a lot of case studies. If you're interested, just go ahead and buy it, and see you guys in the next video.